स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा हमने डिस्कस किया था, एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज ऑफ NSAIDs, now we will discuss the structure of NSAIDs as we are discussing or as we are studying the medicinal chemistry. Okay, so let us discuss structures of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, that is also known as NSAIDs. Okay, the first category is salicylates. First category, that is salicylate. Okay, that is salicylate means first category, that is salicylates are the related agents. Clear? Means first drug, that is the salicylic acid. What is the salicylic acid? As in drug structure is a very simple one. Benzene, if benzene have COOH group, then it will become a benzoic acid. If I will put OH group on ortho position, then it will be salicylic acid. Okay, it's a very simple salicylic acid. Okay, this is the salicylic acid. Next one, the aspirin. How it becomes aspirin? That is this oxygen means phenolic oxygen or phenolic hydroxy group will converted acetylated by acetyl group. Okay, means this H group will substituted by mean of COCH3, then it will become as a aspirin. Clear? It's very simple. Next one, the salicylate. Salicylate, what is the salicylate? Two salicylic acid. How two salicylic acid? One is the salicylic acid and this one another salicylic acid. This one is means salicylate is the means the mutual prodrug of salicylic acid. What is this? Mutual prodrug. What is the mutual prodrug? Let us see. It is the mutual prodrug of salicylic acid. How it becomes? When it will goes to the site of action or at the site of hydrolysis, then it will convert into salicylic acid. Salicylic acid and that is the salicylic acid one and another one means two molecule of salicylic acid by mean of hydrolysis of this bond. Clear? That is salicylates. In exams, different competitive exams, there is the one question. Competitive questions means which drug which form have two salicylic acid molecule on the hydrolysis of respective drug, then drug will be the salicylate. Clear? Now next one, carbasalate. That is the carbasalate calcium. Here this is the calcium. Calcium is the salt form. How it is salt form? See, this is the aspirin. As we have discussed the aspirin, it is the aspirin. Aspirin have a carboxylic group. Aspirin have a carboxylic group. That carboxylic group is substituted by mean of calcium. Here calcium have two valency as well, while carboxylic group have one valency. That's why we are putting the two value. Clear? That's why calcium what? Aspirin. Clear? And this one, the I think as you know that the urea. This one the urea molecule. Urea known as carbamic acid derivative. That is carbamic acid derivative. Means again you can easily correlate carbasalate. That is carbasalate calcium. Carba means carbamic acid, salate means aspirin, or calcium means this one. Okay, these all drugs are the aspirin. Another one that is a benorylate. Benorylate, what is the benorylate? See, try to understand this one. As we have discussed, this one is the aspirin moiety. This one the aspirin part, and this one after few points we will discuss. This structure is the paracetamol. Okay, means benorylate is the prodrug of aspirin and paracetamol. Again it is the very important MCQs. Which drug or which prodrug converts into aspirin and paracetamol on hydrolysis of that is benorylate. Keep in mind, it's a very important question for the competitive exam. Clear? Next one is the another one, sulfasalazine. Sulfasalazine, again see, try to understand. See, this one is the our salicylic acid, as we have discussed. Salicylic acid. Salicylic acid have amino group para position, and as this one the sulfonamide. This part is the sulfonamides. Sulfonamides. Okay. Now try to understand. Salicylic acid and sulfonamide have again a prodrug that is indicated for the ulcerative colitis. That is indicated for ulcerative colitis, means it will give to the patients which have a problem of ulcerative colitis at the site of action. It hydrolyze to the sulfonamide and salicylic acid. So sulfonamide give antibacterial action, at the same time salicylic acid have anti-inflammatory action. Okay, in this situation sulfonamide have antibacterial action. Okay, antibacterial action, fine. And salicylic acid have anti-inflammatory action. Okay, anti-inflammatory actions. These all about that is salicylic acid and their derivative. Clear? Means here sulfasalazine, benorylate, salicylate and carboxylate all are the prodrug of salicylic acid or its derivative. Clear? Now come to the next category, that is phenamates. What is the phenamates? Try to understand phenamate. If we will discuss the structure of phenamate, then mefenamic acid, meclofenamic acid, flufenamic and tolfenamic acid. Try to understand here. We would like to draw the structure of phenamic acid. What is a phenamic acid? If benzene ring is this one, benzene ring, fine. If I will put COOH, then it will be the structure of what? That is carboxylic acid, means benzoic acid. If I will put here NH2, that is anthranylic acid. What is anthranylic acid? Anthranylic acid. This anthranylic acid, if see the difference between anthranylic acid and salicylic acid. Only one difference. Difference is that if OH group I will put, then salicylic acid. If NH2 group I will put, then it will convert into anthranylic acid. Okay, means phenamates are derivative of anthranylic acid. What are the phenamates? Derivative of anthranylic acid. Try to understand this one. This part is the anthranylic acid. Here this phenyl ring system is attached with two methyl group, that is mefenamic acid. Try to understand this Me, that is mefenamic acid. Phenamates, that is mefenamic acid. Meclo, MECLO. Me for methyl, CLO means chloride, means methyl and chloride, that is meclofenamic acid. Similarly again flufenamic acid. Flu means this CF3, that is flufenamic acid. Another one tolfenamic acid. Tol means that is the toluene. This part is the toluene, complete toluene, and with the chlorine tolfenamic acid. These all structures belongs to the phenamates. Phenamates means N for an amino group or that is amino group of anthranylic acid, and aryl, N for nitrogen of amino group. Aryl means aromatic ring system, and aryl anthranylic acid, that is known as phenamate. Okay, this is all about phenamates as well as salicylates. Clear? Dear students, as we have classified the different categories of NSAIDs. NSAIDs means non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Just try to understand, and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. That's why these drugs are known as NSAIDs. Okay. Now, we have discussed the category of salicylic acid and its derivative as well as anthracnonic acid or their derivative, means phenomates. Okay. Now I would like to discuss that is the aryl alkanoic acid. What are the aryl alkanoic acid? Aryl means aromatic ring system. Alkanoic acid means carboxylic acid. Just the first category of this category, that is the first category, aryl acetic acid. Aryl means here aromatic ring system. Acetic acid means 2 carbon carboxylic acid. Then just we have an example. This is with acetic acid. This one is the 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 acetic acid, and this one is the acetic acid. Means all are acetic acid derivative. Clear? Now means acetic acid, and these all drugs have a aromatic ring system. Means here again aromatic ring system, aromatic ring system, aromatic ring system, again aromatic ring system, aromatic ring system, and aromatic ring system. Means all are aryl acetic acid derivative. Clear? Now I would like to just clarify the structures one by one and how they can correlate with their structure. Please have a look. That is diclofenac. See, this is the acetic acid. Diclo means 2 chlorine. Diclo, di means 2, clo means chlorine. One chlorine and another one chlorine. Diclofenac. This is the phenac. This is the phenac, and diclofenac. This is whole moiety. Similarly, phenclofenac, chlorine, and this group is as good as to say phenoxy. This group known as phenoxy. Okay, phenoxy. That's why pheno. Here phen for phenoxy. Clo means 2 chlorine, and that is phenac, means the phenac. Clear? This is phenclofenac. Similarly, next one, acylophenac. Here in this acyl part is there and clo part is there. Then acylophenac. This one, the acylophenac. All are marketed product and they are available in market for the treatment of different inflammatory situations. Okay, come to the next one, that is tolmetin. Here try to understand this one, this ring system. This one, the acyl. What is that? Alkanoil. Alkanoil, and this is benzoyl category. Means benzoyl. Why it is benzoyl? How we can correlate? If benzene have a carboxylic group, then it is benzoyl. It is the pyrrole ring system and acetic acid. Now see, if R, here R is the substituent, R dash is the another substituent. Here R dash and this one the R. Okay. If tolmetin, then CH3. See, try to understand. If CH3 is there, then CH3 ring, CH3 on benzene ring, that is known as toluene. That is known as toluene. That's why it is known as tolmetin. Similarly, next one is the chlorine and CH3. Chlorine here and CH3 here. That is zomepara. Here. Now come to the next one, that is an indomethacin. Indomethacin, how we can correlate the structure? As we have discussed, that is the acetic acid derivative. Means similarly acetic acid there, and this ring system, benzene with the pyrrole ring system known as indole. Okay, this is the indole. That's why indo. Endo say easily we can correlate the indo to indole. Clear? Methacin, methoxy. Here methoxy. Okay, this is the methoxy. Okay, and this one the benzoyl chloride. This is benzoyl part. Now you can easily correlate methoxy, indole, acetic acid, and benzoyl. That is the indomethacin. Similarly, next one, the sulindac. Sulindac, that is not a indole derivative, but it is indole analog. This ring system here, nitrogen is there. Here no nitrogen, but carbon is there. That's why it is known as indene. This is known as endene, and because it is the analog of indole, that's why it is known as endene, which have a carbon group. And next here, sulfur group is there, that's why it is sulindac. This is the sulindac as well as good as acetic acid and fluorine. Okay, this is basically sulindac is the basically analog structure of endomethacin. Just try to understand acetic acid, similar ring system. Here carbonyl, here carbon having two double bond. Methoxy have fluorine, methyl, and chlorine COCH3. Means it is just superimposing structure. Okay, that is as good as endomethacin. This is all about what? Aryl acetic acid. Clear? Now I would like to come next one, aryl propionic acid. Aryl propionic acid means propionic means a 3 carbon carboxylic group. Aryl means aromatic. Clear? Now come to here, 1 2 3 carbon, 1 2 3 carbon, 1 2 3 carbon, and this is the note ring note this category, but it is analog of this. How we can understand easily correlate. Come to the first, ibu. Ibu means ibu. This one is the isobutyl. This one is the ring functional group isobutyl. Okay, isobutyl means ibu. That is isobutyl, easily correlate isobutyl, ibu. Propane, that is the propane. Okay, pro means this one, this pro, and fen means phenyl. Okay, easily correlate. Ibu means isobutyl, pro means propionic acid, fen means phenyl. Clear? Come to the next one. This one again propionic acid and benzene have a substituent, that is R. This is in the R. Ketoprophene. Okay, ketoprophene. How we can correlate? This is the ketone functional group. This is the ketone functional group. That's why it is comes under a ketoprophene. Keto means ketone functional group. Pro means propionic acid. Fen means phenyl group. Okay, then you can easily correlate ketoprophene. Clear? Next one, phenoprophene. This one structure is the phenoxy, as we have discussed earlier. Phenoxy, here it is the phenoxy. Okay, this benzene having oxygen, that is the phenoxy. Similarly, benzene have a oxygen, that is phenoxy. That is phenoxy for pheno. Pro means this one, fen means this one. Okay, that is phenoprophene. Clear? Next one, the naproxen. How it is correlate? Now come to the that 1 2 3, that is a propionic acid, that is propionic acid, as it is a 3 carbon. Okay, it is a 3 carbon. Clear? Then what is this ring system? Naphthalene. This ring system is naphthalene. Okay, that's why nap easily correlate naproxen and methoxy. This is the methoxy. Okay, this is the methoxy group. That's why axane, nap, naphthyl, propionic acid, axane, methoxy. Okay, easily correlate. Now come to next one, that is nabumetone. How it is? Try to understand. It have no carboxylic group. It is a basically ketone functional group. Means it is not a derivative of aryl alkanoic acid, but it is the analog because it is a carbonyl group and carboxylic group. It also have a carbonyl group. That's why we are studying nabumetone in aryl alkanoic acid or propionic acid. How it is correlated with the structure? Nab means this one is the naphthalene ring system. This one is the naphthalene ring system. And bu means how much carbons? 1 2 3 4. That is butane. Means here easily correlate. Bu means butane. Okay, Metone, methoxyone means ketone. On means ketone. Clear? Then easily correlate nabumetone. Nab for naphthalene, bu for butane, me for methoxy, on for ketone. Clear? This is nabumetone. Clear? I think all structures are clear to all of you. We have discussed two category of one base main category, aryl alkanoic acid. Aryl means aryl group is there. Okay, fine. Alkanoic means general. If two carbon, that is acetic acid. If three carbon, then propionic acid. Okay, this is all about aryl alkanoic acid category of NaCH. Clear?